Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to apply cool filters like this to your webcam, folks. So as you can see now, I'm now anime. Or maybe I just want to be Shrek. Maybe I want to be a baby. Or maybe I want to be a cartoon. I'm gonna show you how to do this in this video today. So let's get to it. All we do to download this app that does own this, all you need to do is open your browser up and then you type in snapcamera.snapshot.com. So that's snapcamera.snapshot.com. Then press enter. And then you'll now be able to download it for Windows or Mac. So spike clicking the download button and then run through the setup. Once you've got it, you should see something like this, folks. So as you can see, my webcam shows. If yours doesn't show, all you need to do is go to the gear icon and select your webcam and your resolution. So I'm gonna go 1080p, and for the mic I'm gonna select the TC77. Okay, so here I am on my snap camera, and as you can see up at the top, there's many different styles to choose from. For example, I can go for this photo, for example, or this one with fire, really cool. I can also scroll down and go to categories. So say for instance, I want to apply something funny, like this banana, for example, and accidentally I cried eating this banana. You can also favorite these by just hovering over your webcam's filter and then just click the star up there, and that puts it in your favorites. So if you click on the star up there, as you'll see bananas there, I can also add shortcuts to these. So if I go to anime and then I click on the keyboard just right here, these are the numbers I have assigned to it. So for this one I'm gonna select 5. So if I press 1, that's to go to animate. If I press 2, to go to Shrek. 3, to go to the baby. 4, it will go to the cartoon, and 5, it will go to the banana. And maybe I want to be this alien, folks, and even this aliens I really cute, folks. Or maybe just wanna have some classes, folks. As you can see, it's really easy to use, and as you can see, I can click on the camera just there, and now we'll record or take a picture. Okay, so now what I'm gonna show you is actually how to get this feed into OBS Studio. Okay, so you've got to make sure FACECAM is running while you're using OBS. So go to Windows button, then search for FACECAM. Open this up. Make sure it has the right webcam selected and the right resolution. Just by going to that settings, then you assault your earlier and use one of these or your hotkey that you set up earlier. So as you can see, I'm gonna be Shrek. So if I minimize this, don't close it down. And if I open up OBS Studio, then in OBS Studio, on the sources, I'm gonna click on plus, and then video capture device, and I can name this. So this is called FACECAM, Space Camera. Doesn't matter what you call it. Click OK, and then instead of your standard webcam, it's just gonna click in the sub down and select snap camera from the list, and before you know it, it's an OBS, guys. So I didn't resize this. If I want to make myself in the corner, and as you can see, I'm Shrek in OBS now, and I can easily start a recording with OBS and do what I want, folks. So there you go. That was how to access these photos in OBS, and as you can see, you can go through them in OBS. So if you set up that hotkey, doesn't matter what hotkey you're using, but as you can see, you can still access your banana photo in OBS. So there you go. That was how to add these fun filters in OBS Studio. Thanks for watching. Banana!